Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get the game booster on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A07 does not come with the official Samsung game booster by default. But if you want to get the Samsung game booster on your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on scroll to available downloads. And from this list, just select the latest version, which is this version. Now on this page, just tap on scroll to available downloads and select this variant. Now on this page, you will find the option of download APK. Just tap on it and select download. Then tap on open. Select install. Then tap on done. Now if you go to your home screen and open the settings app, now in settings, just tap on advanced features, and from here you will find the Samsung game booster in the settings. Just tap on it, and from here you will be able to customize the game booster settings on your smartphone. Like you can change the refresh rate while gaming, and under game optimization you can select a game optimization settings. By default it is on balanced, but you can select battery saver if you want to save the battery while you're gaming, or you can select performance and it will give you the best performance while you're gaming. And you will find all the other game booster settings over here. But remember, since the Samsung game booster does not come by default with this smartphone, so some features might not work. And this is how you can get the game booster on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.